This energy ball recipe literally has 3 non-negotiable ingredients and about 4 optional ingredients that just make it taste better. The first ingredient, you're probably not surprised, is the Be Well protein powder, our absolute favorite. It has so much naturally occurring collagen, and the way that she's extracted the protein from this 100% grass-fed beef is top of the line, and I can't tell you how much I love it and how much it's done for my gut health. Also, top allergen free, which is amazing. This really brings the taste together because of the vanilla, and the monk fruit in it doesn't spike my blood sugar levels. Second is coconut flour. Again, I'm trying to stay away from all the top 9 allergens, not just to keep it safe for my daughter, but also so that other parents who have children with multiple food allergies have something to work with. Our precious sun butter. They do say that it is free from top allergens, and always go for organic when it comes to anything sunflower based. Let's start.
Add 2 scoops of Be Well by Kelly vanilla protein. A single scoop contains a whopping 16 grams of collagen. This is the only protein powder I recommend to my breastfeeding and pregnant clients, and I offer it to my toddler every day. Next is coconut flour. Make sure 3 tablespoons are measured and leveled off because the final product will be super dry if more is added. Coconut flour is rich in fiber and fat, so it gives your body sufficient time to absorb the nutrients of everything you're eating with it, meaning you'll feel satisfied longer. Once all the dry ingredients are well mixed together, add 4 tablespoons of sun butter. Such a good source of vitamin E, magnesium, zinc, and copper, all nutrients that most of us are lacking. I can go on and on about what a nutritional powerhouse nut and seed butters are, because a lot of nutrients, minerals, and vitamins are packed inside a spoonful. But this is all the more a reason to focus on quality when purchasing this ingredient. I highly recommend going for organic when choosing nut and seed butters, because the high fat and oil content of nuts and seeds contributes to making them a sponge for chemicals. Next, add a pinch of quality salt for taste and minerals. While this is optional, I add 2 scoops of acacia fiber because it's great for healthy cholesterol levels, but also it feeds the microbiome and supports gut health. Add a shake or 2 of Ceylon cinnamon and mix it all together until you get this consistency. Now, I add a specific honey for the nutritional boost. The one we use contains bee pollen. I have an entire video on why we keep bee pollen in our daily diet, but this honey makes the balls truly energizing, since the bee vitamins really do give us an energy boost. So I don't really recommend giving it to your kids at night, because they will be energized. Add 3 tablespoons of water and mix one final time. You can roll using both palms or wet your fingers with some water and roll the ball in the palm of your non-dominant hand using this motion. It's best to cover a plate with parchment paper if you have it on hand, because the naturally occurring collagen in the protein powder makes the energy ball quite sticky. Rinse and repeat until you've rolled all the balls. I like to make a quarter size for adults, but I'll split the adult size in half in order to make it a bit more manageable for my toddler's mouth. I hope you and your family enjoy this healthy, protein, fat, and fiber-rich energy ball recipe, and look forward to it sustaining and nourishing you and your little ones. Enjoy!
So it is the morning time, and she's starving. I don't have breakfast ready. I'm starving. This is when the energy ball comes in handy. So I left these overnight in the fridge. They are much more firm, ready to be eaten. Done. Now I can make you food.
No, okay.
Store airtight in the refrigerator for 1 week. Don't forget to subscribe. Emily, do you know what time it is?
Time for sleep.
Time for sleep. But what are you asking me for?
Energy balls.
Why do you like energy balls?
Because it's so sticky.
Because it's so sticky?
Yeah.
Why else do you like energy balls?
Chocolate chips.
Because of the chocolate chips? Yeah.
You got the one that looks like a snowman.
I got one with chocolate.